This is a website I created for Zinn Hub, not the official platform, but a simple, interactive guide to help you navigate it better. I noticed that a lot of people find Zinn Hub a bit confusing at first, so I built this to make things easier. Everything here is clickable and designed to walk you through the platform step by step. Think of it as a hands-on guide, helping you understand where to go, what to do, and how to use Zinn Hub without the stress. Again, this is just an unofficial guide created to support users and improve their experience.